Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your Google account password over on your mobile. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to open Safari or Google Chrome. It doesn't really matter which one you use. So you want to open it and then you want to of course go to Google so we can actually go to our accounts. So we're going to click on the top right corner of our screen just like this, and then we're going to click on manage your Google account. And then we're going to click on security, and if you have already logged into your Google account before, or if you're already logged in, then all you need to do is scroll down a little bit and you can click on password, and literally right here you can change your password to a new password, because I'm suggesting that when you need to see your password on Google, you just don't know it anymore, meaning that you actually need to create a new one, which you can simply do by typing in your password. By clicking on other options, choose my own password. Then what you simply want to do is you want to type in any password you want. And then you can simply click on the small little icon right here to see your actual password. Then you want to click on change password. And that's literally all you need to do in order to see your password. And now you already know your password again. So that's how you can see your Google account password on mobile. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.